Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and today I'm going to show you how I take an idea and then I change it at the end because the results I first got was not what I liked. But then what I did at the end ended up being something I really liked. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and to comment down below and to let me know your thoughts. Okay, talk to you later. Bye for now. Okay, today I am actually using some leftover paint that I have stored away in my tea bottles, as you can see. The paint is Artist Loft Metallic Red, Artist Loft Metallic Orange, Artist Loft Metallic Yellow, and then the Liquitex Gold, and then Master Touch Black, and Master's Touch red brown, kind of as a bronze color, and I mix all of them with Floetrol. The white happens to be a house paint that I utilized and mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water. And those are the colors of today's painting. Well, might as well use that excess paint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this, what you'd like to see in the future, and then of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notifications when I get a new video up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.